To feed that.
This angle. Yes.
It's a tear. Oh my! Yo, no! Yo, people, no. Pause. Listen, people. May I say it in that video? I get people. We never see a reaction video yet. Part the trending page in Jamaica. People, leave a like on that video. Drop a comment. Drop any random comments. You see me? I say we are trying to do something. Every video I post, I say it now. We are trying to do something more. I see. But hold on. Listen to the mix.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the ready to be said? What TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? On a back in for another video for you guys. We're with another Deva Bratt reaction. Big up to the world Deva Bratt fans and supporters. I say we're back with another one for today. Yes, I post every day just like a Deva Bratt posts every single day. You understand? I was really here thinking like, yo, what am I gonna react to today? You know, Deva Bratt drop a song. So I say, alright, maybe good thing one time. So you know, for the people like the video, drop a comment down below in the comment section. Make us see what the song you're talking about. This song is called Interview. Deva Bratt. Make us see what going on. Let's chat things down. Just like the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to reach 30k. And we're gonna do it. You see me? I say, you messing the man. Deva Bratt. If you look good for your girls, man. Yeah, man. If you look good for your girls, yeah. Anyway, right tune.
Hey, good afternoon. I tell you they're on the carpets of the Grammys.
Hold on, I'm listening. I try to listen to the radio and say, I want to know the radio I'm from. But hold on.
Hey, good afternoon. I tell you they're on the carpets of the Grammys, and I think I see my snorkel coming right here. We have a question for you. Can you explain these lines in your song?
You have to explain that and
Hold on. Pull it up again. Hold on. Remember the two jump. Hold on.
Hey, good afternoon. I tell you they're on the carpets of the Grammys, and I think I...
Isn't this the amount instrumental amount? Isn't this it? But hold on. Sorry people, may have to lock in. Right now, you want to drop a yesterday? Lisa, I, not bad, but right now, hold on. Listen.
We have a question for you. Can you explain these lines in your song?
Yeah, listen.
you have to explain that under age or not. I could never be good man, I get beaten for that. The pumping, popping at the ramping shop. Propaganda, but they must put on the wrong thing that. Learned in a year when she was a little tat.
Yeah.
Same thing, take your life for your comfort. And
yeah.
Home chat, you forget a fat gunshot.
Yeah.
Roll and broke me neck lightning flash. They take me don't select time.
Oh, I forgot to make this react to the song. But it's like a dog reaction.
Popping at the
Explain these lines in your song?
yeah. Why your friend?
you have to
You told me good man, you come for take what? Me Jesus Christ, the best. Yo, you have to explain the part. The Deva Bratt. Listen.
Can you explain these
Listen,
lines
man.
You have to explain that under age or not. I could never be good man, I get beaten for that. The pumping, popping at the ramping shop. Propaganda, but they must put on the wrong thing that. You learned in a year when she was a little tat. A same thing, take your life for your comfort. And
yeah.
Home chat, you forget a fat gunshot.
Yeah.
Roll and broke me neck lightning flash. They take me don't select titans clash. You touch it sour grape, all man and sour sap.
You might say sour grape. Ah, so what's up? You might say, yo, you think say me? You think say me? It's like, in my tell you, listen, I don't mean, you know. I not even talk too much. I could to the tune, because tune bad. Go on.
Confess to the fact.
Yeah.
Oh, the cap fit and the kept in the cab.
What you do for me, she ask.
The man is him own sang them against him. Deva Bratt, you is a legendary. He was a legend. Listen to play. Shout out to whoever who big sound master this bomber club. But listen.
The fact, oh, the cap fit and the kept in the cab.
What you do for me, she
Listen.
ask.
To feed that.
This angle.
no, pause. Listen, people, may I say it in that video again, people. We never see a reaction video yet on the trending page in Jamaica. People, leave a like on that video, drop a comment, drop any random comments. You see me, I say, we are trying to do something, Every video I post, I say it in that. We are trying to do something more I see. But, hold on! Listen to the mix! Listen to the mix! Listen!
Yes.
It a record and picture take. The photos them will leak when you lock up on the net. You in
It a record and picture tech. The photos them will leak. Me bumbo
check your extremely inside of a wreck.
Yeah.
Gaza boss, yeah, but he suspect. Me no see them a fish. Is a mean figure. Shepherd no get no Grammy. The sheep them upset. Bungula gal me say gal.
Yeah, I say people them upset say no get no Grammy. Me bumbo clown.
Is mean figure. Shepherd no
get
get
no
no
Grammy.
Grammy. The sheep them
Upset.
Bungula gal me say gal a take set.
Yeah.
You come from prison and a promote your mouth.
Yeah.
Stars on the straight go shall can't take a shout. Out of the closet when well one come out.
Yeah.
Them play them do all the time.
Touch man, she asking.
Me eat your feed that. Me all the way me foot. Me bumbo clown. No, that bad now. If they're right, don't just say, I say I'm out. Me bumbo clown. Hold on. Why am I down?
Rolling. I think it's taping. If I were you, I'd stay away from all the tapes and all the recordings because I think that's what got you in that place for a long time in the first place.
I say, yo, if it's me like you know, you see how that video you make with everybody I talk about, yo, for tape and them something, but I stop doing it, you know, because I think I don't get to lock up in that first place, and you see me, bucklat! Yo!
So stay away from the taping. Huh? Miss seeing him. You're looking gorgeous tonight, I must say. Great dress. Enjoy the night.
Me used to thief out my anti-cigarette and weed and give when me a 5, 6, 7. And Shabba them used to call me.
Oh, yeah. Me I forgot to say the good thing I got with Lisa Hyper right now to blood
Trouble.
clot. Trouble? Lisa Hyper, public announcement. What's that survival? Whatever I killed every bitch. Hold on. Alright then. Make you read it down. Public announcement. What have survived would have killed every bitch, every nigga that is taking the wrong turn and park on my page to leave a comment about my past. All the little idiot them where I come and I say, Addy fuck you out and kick you out of Gaza. Bitch, please. We been fucking before Gaza even think for bill. You started to give the man secret, them so. Bumba clot. Anyways, which I'm rich. Before Gaza think for bill, Gaza was originated 5th Farms, Waterford. Alright then, that's where we both grew up. So not can't sign up with me. And he didn't kick me out. The 3-year contract was up. And don't get it twisted. Go on the page, Vibes Carlton, and look who him a promote musically. Everybody must know by now. When them man they done with you, him done. The public eyes. Alright then. You know, so honestly, I don't follow them drama thing up on like Instagram. I don't follow a lot of celebrities. That's why I read this right now because it's post long time, obviously. But sorry. Me I read it right now. I'm the first time I see this too. You see me? That's why I met itself. Like John, no. Yeah. Bad comments. Hey, nobody would have leave no bad comments. My honest opinion. Nobody would have leave no bad comments, Miss Lisa Hyper. If you never talk about them something, yeah. You understand me? I say, you have a personal conflict with the dog, just keep it to yourself. That's my opinion, though. But you know what I say, a crucial conflict. Blood clot. Alright, then. Man, sure, come and talk about the Benz and, you know what? I think I follow this Bumba clot. Me still do another reaction. I'm not a review channel. Bumba clot. I'm there for a react and react to the song. And guess what? I'm gone. Soon another one. I think Shanson drop a song today. Should I react to that song? I don't know. I'm going to post one and I see one of the comments. Based on one of the comments I say, do the chance time video. But right now, we still do another video.